Hello and welcome to another 3D Survey CAD tutorial. Today I'm going to present to you this little feature that can help you a lot when you're drawing and drafting in CAD. This one is called length input, and you don't have to do anything to activate it. Simply start drawing, define the direction you want your line to go, and just input the length, press enter, and your line is drawn. This is especially useful when you're drawing by design. Like for example, we have to draw some solar panels here. They are exactly 2 meters times 1 meter. So I input 2, enter, and then I go in perpendicular, 1, and go back with 2, and I finish where I started with another meter. Very simple. Another case where this is very useful is when you want to draw something in an area that wasn't covered very well, like this house for example. It was impossible to capture, but we've measured the distance manually and we just simply input it here as a number. And this way we can finish the building outline with ease. So it's 6.1 times 5 and we've finished our rectangle. But wait, there's more. This tool is especially useful in combination with another little new feature, which is called 3D perpendicular. Together they enable you to do accurate drawing in 3D. To use the 3D perpendicular, we first have to have a locked plane, out of which it will protrude as a normal. Well, enough of the theory. Let's see an example where this is a real game changer. So I want to design a sort of patio closet. I've got the dimensions and I want to see how it will fit here. I define a plane, I place a few points. It looks good. Now I can start drawing. From this corner I draw my first line. I want it to be exactly 3.0 meters long. I press enter. Now I lock the perpendicular mode. 3 meters in this direction and I just connect upward. So we finished the backside. Now the interesting part, how do I exit this plane? I just hover over in the direction I want my line to go and look for the inverted T, the perpendicular sign. Again, I use the length input, this time 0.75. From here on, there are a few ways you can go about this. I repeat the 3.0 and finish the upper side. Now I'll do the same on the lower side. One thing to remember here is you can draw perpendicularly to the plane. To draw parallel to the plane, you have to activate some leading lines, like this one here from the corner. I hover over it and get this green leading line. Okay, this is done and now we don't need the plane anymore. So all that's left to do is connect the lower and the upper part. And it's done. A really nice result, wouldn't you say? So with the help of these little features, you can now accomplish much more stuff that seemed impossible before. I hope you liked these features and this tutorial. Till next time, stay tuned and happy 3D surveying. Bye bye.